It is time for the Dogwood Arts Festival, which has been happening since 1961. It is one of Knoxville's most beloved cultural arts events of the year. Over 100 vendors. We're talking artists, we're talking food, we're talking all kinds of stuff. There's like everything from jewelry designers to painters to floral people. And like I said, lots of food. So let's go down to the redesigned, updated World's Fair site, which, by the way, hey Sunsphere, let's go check it out. So we are entering now. Check this out. Chalk art, so good. It's beautiful. So as you can see, we've got alcohol right as you come in. A little pink mochi. Is it mocha or mochi? So basically what we're seeing is like food vendors, and then all of these are like artists and creators essentially. So, oh, look at this. This is cool. All right, so creation station. This is like activities for kids, all kinds of just like art stuff for them to do. Love it. Little plant trailer. This is cool. Look how cool this stuff is. Beautiful. If only I could keep this alive. You know what I'm saying? It looks good though. Dogwood Ave. She was actually at the Home and Garden Festival where I made that kind of succulent terrarium thing. Love this mural. So cool. So good. Oh, there is live music. There's a stage back over there, and you've got food trucks. There's a cookie truck over there, a moonshine, Sugarland Shine. Here, look, super cute puppy. And then like all the stuff in the middle, those are all art vendors. But so you've got little corn dogs over here. There's all kinds of food, super cool stuff. We'll go look in the middle, but there was a band. They were playing like bluegrass music earlier. But then you also have Sierra Nevada, Muchos Nachos, obviously Mexican food, super cool. So we were over like by the art part, but then there's a second part over near the stage in the amphitheater, kind of underneath the Sunsphere. So you've got two parts. Back in the day, this actually used to be on Market Square and like Crutch Park. Actually, I haven't been to it since they moved it here. So anyways, look how pretty it is. Like soaps, Townsend Artisan Guild, kombucha for all the juice. You've got makers, make your own teas. Oh, proper popcorn. This stuff is so good. I might have to get some. This person is like teas. And then you've got a tasting tent, French broad flowers, tasting tent, all kinds of stuff in there, and pinatas, spices and seasoning. So down in this amphitheater, you have even more like makers. It actually looks like all jewelry stuff. I'm gonna go down there because I love jewelry. So we just walked through there. There's like pottery, arts. I bought some jewelry from Twyla, some earrings. So super cute stuff, super cool. Artists, all their cool stuff, pottery, lots of flowers. This thing is so cool. Look at the purses. Oh my gosh, so cute. Cute stuff. Lots of dogs here actually. Quilted clothing, more jewelry, just like all kinds of artists and like amazing creations. Stage happening. and just all kinds of awesome stuff. That is all for the 2023 Dogwood Festival. I was like, where's the sun sphere? It's gotta be there. Super cool. Love the makers. Love the artists. I mean, love the setup because like I said, the last time I was here, it was on Market Square and like Crutch Park, so the park next to Market Square, which was cool because you're like close to all that stuff, but I don't know, now Market Square is like popping, so I don't know that it could actually accommodate the festival and just in general all the people, but totally beautiful, super cool stuff. I bought some earrings. I'll show them to you when I get to the car as a finale, but loved it. It's awesome. Definitely an event to check out. There's some super cool artists. There's like a guy, Richard Pollock. Super cool stuff. I mean, there's like too many to list. You gotta go look at the vendors or just bring your happy tail down here to the Dogwood Festival. So good. The unveiling. I bought one thing at the Dogwood Festival. I tried to get some chocolate popcorn, I'm not gonna lie, from Proper Popcorn, but they didn't bring it because they was afraid it was gonna melt, which I get it, okay? I get it. But look, these are from Twyla. They're like a gold. I love some gold. You might be like, ugh, but her stuff's so cute. She had some like TriStar Tennessee earrings, but so cute. Dogwood Festival, you gotta go.